Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Google account to Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. Now I'm going over to the top left. On the top left button, you want to click on that once, and that brings you to this page where you could find this add account button or manage account. So click on manage account or add account. If you click on manage account, you find the add account button right here. You can add a kid account as well if you have one. So just click on add account, and that'll bring you to this page. You could scan this code with your smartphone. So just focus your phone's camera on the QR code, and that will sign into your Google account. Given that Google account signed on, you signed in on that phone already. Also, you have to make sure you understand that the phone and the Chromecast must be on the same internet network. So they must be on the same network for this to work. And this is the fastest way to sign in. Alternatively, you could come down and click on this sign in on TV instead. Now, that will enable you to put in your email address for your Google account and your password. So go ahead and put in the email address, and then you click on next. So I'm just showing you an example. Click on next, and now you put in your password. So when you put in your password, you'll be signed in to your Google account on Chromecast. So that's how you can sign in to Chromecast with a Google account. If you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.